Some of the questions I love asking when I've done this recently in a lot of our seminars and presentations and conferences, I start out by asking, and I'll do it right here, how many of you come from companies that believe innovation is the key to company success? Show of hands. Okay. How many of you come from companies that have innovation initiatives underway? Okay. How many of you come from companies where there's agreement on what innovation is? And I usually get the same response. So then we go into another discussion that says, well, let's scale back a bit and let's ask, how many of you come from companies that agree that understanding customers' needs is the key to success in innovation? Show of hands. And how many of you come from companies where there's agreement on what a customer need is? Again, same response. And that's one of the key points here. The innovation process is really broken along a number of different dimensions. First, there's rarely agreement as to what innovation even is, which of course, if you're trying to master that, that could be a problem. And there's certainly disagreement on what the inputs into the innovation process should be as well. So I find this rather funny, and those of you from Six Sigma, that sort of background, you realize in any process, if you're trying to master that process, you need to know what the process is. There should be clear-cut steps as to what you're trying to accomplish. And you should know what the inputs and outputs are to that process. Of course, if you don't know that, you can't execute the process in a very systematic fashion. So what we'll be showing you here is that systematic approach.